Welcome back. Another episode of Under 2 Minutes, and today we are going over the pen tool. Keybind is P. This tool is very nice for creating a lot of intricate shapes. They can have curved edges, they can have pointed edges, depending on how you start drawing with this tool. And I will kind of just show you exactly what you can do and how to do it. So let's jump in. When you first click this pen tool, you're going to get an asterisk next to this pen icon, and that means that first click that you do is going to be an open path. It's the beginning of the drawing, the beginning of your paths with the tool. So when you click here, it's going to drop an anchor point, as you can see. Now you can drag anywhere on this page and you can drop another anchor point and it is going to make a path. With this pen tool, you can do as many paths and as many corners as you want. If you click and hold and then start dragging, it's going to make it a curved shape. And as you can see, handles appear. So that means you are drawing a curved anchor point here, a curved line with the pen tool. So all you have to do, click, drag, you'll get handles. When you go to close this object, you'll see that there's a little circle here next to the pen icon, and that means I'm about to close this path and make it a shape. So now I have it closed. This is one entire shape, as you can see here, made with a bunch of paths. So with the pen tool selected, if you wanted to delete an anchor point, all you have to do is hover over the anchor and you'll get a minus sign. Now you can just delete. Very simple and easy. You can do pointed edges, you can do curved edges by clicking and holding and dragging, and that's it. That is the pen tool.